But Alexis, let me talk to you about the same thing, because we're talking, if it's what the prosecution says in terms of speed, 100 miles per hour on a stretch where it's typically a speed limit of 40 miles per hour, residential driveways nearby, people walking, these four girls just walking to get to an event that night. Tell me what you think about the prosecution saying, no, this is implied malice. You go that fast, it basically is that you have complete disregard for life.
I'm agreeing with Alan Jackson and Claudia. I think this is an overcharge. I think to say speed equals malice is a stretch. The bottom line was he was speeding, as well as many people, whether they want to admit it or not, have driven over 100 miles an hour at some point in time and never thought at that point that they were possibly going to kill somebody or intended to kill someone either.
And a follow-up on that, Alexis, though, when someone is driving under the influence, their big argument is that they didn't intend to hurt anyone. They were reckless or negligent, but that they didn't intend it. But it's still implied that if you're going to drink and get behind the wheel, which you are not supposed to do, then that can be a form of malice.
Julia, that's a good point. In many states, the laws related to driving under the influence they kind of made a little carve out back in the day. For instance, like requiring you to do the certain of taking the breathalyzer or taking blood from you, those sort of things. So I think that to give the analogy is a different, and it also is not a charge necessarily of murder. We're talking usually that is going to be some sort of manslaughter related to driving under the influence if somebody has died.